Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. My name is Nick and this is Creative Side. So since this is a new channel, today I think we should create a profile picture for my YouTube channel. So let us begin. First, what we need to do is, of course, File, New, and I go for 1920 by 1080 pixels with a resolution 72. And of course, go on background, click here for the black background. Okay, and that's it. We're making a new project. First, what we need to do is go on the text tool, click on the middle. So since this is creative side, we'll do it like this. And if you want to make your font lower or higher, you can type in manually here, let's say 100, and click aside. Sorry, you need to select it first, then click 100, and you can see that you can do it manually how much you want. So let's go for 200. Okay, seems good. You have here the move tool, so you select that and click on an object and you can move it. So we'll put this in the middle. Okay, first things first, we need to make a new layer. The next thing is the gradient tool. You can click on it, and up you can see here a color. Here you can change depending on what you want from it. I'll go with this one. So you can see that it goes from red to green. And by clicking this small red square, you can select what color you want. So we'll go with this, and the other one as well. Perfect. And press OK. So now we are back on this tool. As you can see, when we move in this direction, we'll get the whole page covered with that color. So the next thing we need to do is go on the layer 1, right click on it, and create clipper mask. So if we like the result, it's okay. If not, we can go over this layer in a different direction. You see, until we get the result we want. If your stroke is smaller, as you can see here, this is a small stroke. The difference between these two colors is, the way it transitions to one color to another is quite faster. If you make a longer, you'll see the difference. So let's go like this, or the other way around. This seems better. First, you need to select the first layer and the text layer by holding Control. You can select both of them, right click, and duplicate layers. Okay. And on those two selected layers, click again, right click, and merge layers. And duplicate that as well. While the first layer is selected, you go on Filler, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and this one go, let's say, about 80. You can even type it here, 80. Preview. Okay, we are satisfied. And the first layer that we copied, again, filler, blur. This one we can go lower. Let's go by 12. Looks good. You can preview. Click on the last layer, new layer. Now on the rectangle tool, go all the way. Lower the opacity till 60. And now you have a more glowing effect. Let us change the color till we get the result that we want. We can go with this gray, and I think this one is good. You can see the difference. Maybe lower the opacity a little bit more. Great. So that's how you do it. So file, export, export as, and we have a JPEG, and that will be it, and export. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you like this, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.